How to disable comments on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on settings and privacy. And here from the account section, click on privacy. And then scroll down to interaction section. And from there, click on comments. And here, the first section, it says who can comment on your videos and stories. Select no one. And by doing that, you will be turning off the comments on TikTok. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable commenting on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.